great products, have an easy process of installing, and have a very good support that I would say to another installer.
Just try it, and if you're like a team beside you that is motivated and want to learn something, it will be pretty easy to learn.
I think it's been a very good experience with Huawei. You guys really listen to the installer's voice. We've been with Huawei for a few years now, and we've been accompanying the evolution of the products, and they've met our expectations and then sometimes have really beyond our expectations.
I think it's important to go for a partner that is reliable, strong. It is important that the Huawei digital power is backed by Huawei mother company, so there is really strong potential and very high reliability that the Huawei will be a strong partner for many years to come. Then when you are planning to invest your time into getting to know the technology, you really want to know your partner does the same and make sure the technology is easy to use for you and very competitive to enter the market with.
You can try. It's good, like price and quality consider, easy to install, easy to tell people how to use, so try it.
You can look into it. It's a wide range of products, from small to really utility size. They really think about it, they really engineer it.
Quindi veramente tutto fantastico.